that this time the people of the state will vote appropriately in selecting their representatives.
उत्तर प्रदेश में भ्रष्टाचार व्याप्त है। मतलब इतना आज तक का ये सबसे भ्रष्टम कैबिनेट सरकार और मुख्यमंत्री है। इनका पूरा का पूरा कंसंट्रेशन एक ही है कि मूर्ति बनाओ कमीशन खाओ, मूर्ति बनाओ कमीशन खाओ।
Bahujan Samaj Party chief Mayawati today said that her party is doing all it can to weed out criminal elements from the organization. Addressing a rally in Pratapgarh in UP, Mayawati said that her party has worked on the ideology of welfare for all and if voted to power will speed up the pace of growth and development in the state.
पिछले विधानसभा चुनाव में हमारी पार्टी के भोले भाले लोगों को झांसे में रखकर काफी गलत लोग दूसरी पार्टियों को छोड़कर हमारी पार्टी से टिकट पाने में कामयाब हो गए थे। चुनाव में ऐसे सभी विधायकों व मंत्रियों के टिकट भी काट दिए गए हैं।
Senior BJP leader Murli Manohar Joshi blamed Congress for often challenging the constitutional bodies and said that it is not right for our democracy. He was talking to reporters in Allahabad.
इस समय इस केंद्रीय सरकार की एक विचित्र नीति है। हर संवैधानिक संस्था से वो लड़ रही है। पहले वो सीएजी से लड़ी, पीएससी से लड़ी, अब इलेक्शन कमीशन से लड़ रही है। हम माने मंत्री, माने सरकार, ये सर्वोपरि है। ये संवैधानिक संस्थाएं कोई माने नहीं रखती। ये बहुत खराब बात है।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi today said that while the whole world is acknowledging India as an emerging economy with a huge potential for numerous job opportunities, Uttar Pradesh is still lagging behind. Addressing a rally in Lucknow, he said that while the Delhi sees a facelift every 6 months, the state of affairs in UP is pitiful.
अमेरिका का राष्ट्रपति कैसा है, हमें ध्यान से रहना है। हिंदुस्तान हमारे से आगे निकल जाएगा। इंग्लैंड के प्रधानमंत्री घबराया हुआ है कि उनकी नौकरियां हिंदुस्तान में आ जाएंगी। पूरी दुनिया घबरा रही है, देश आगे बढ़ रहा है और उत्तर प्रदेश वही का वही बैठा है।
And Samajwadi Party chief Mulayam Singh Yadav today indicated his party can support Congress in UP after the assembly polls if he sees the BJP coming to power. He was speaking to reporters after addressing a rally in Hamirpur of Bundelkhand region of UP. However, after reaching Lucknow, he dismissed saying anything about forming an alliance with anyone.
हमारा समर्थन होना मुद्दों पर केवल एक है। जहां तक बीजेपी का कांग्रेस का सवाल होगा और बीजेपी बहुमत में आ रही है तो कांग्रेस का साथ देंगे, वरना कांग्रेस का साथ नहीं देंगे और न दे रहे हैं।
Congress leader Renuka Chaudhary today said that the party has not entered into any pre-poll alliance with Samajwadi Party. On the issue of post-poll alliance, she said the polling in various phases is going on in UP and it is premature to arrive at any conclusions in this regard.
There has been no pre-poll alliance tie-up and we haven't yet arrived at a post-poll scenario. Since elections are on midway, I don't think it is right for us to comment on it.
And for more details on polling, we are now joined by our correspondent Amritpal Singh from Amethi. Amrit, very quickly, now give us an overview as to, first of all, how do you really look at this increase in the poll percentage in the third phase as compared to last two phases, and also in Amethi, since it comes under the Purvanchal region, the poll plank is apparently development.
That's right, Sakal. The poll plank is development because part of where the significant part of where the election took place for these 56 constituencies, 10 districts, lies in Purvanchal, which is one of the least developed parts